brought to you by oneaauto.com, your source for quality parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And next time you need parts for your vehicle, think of oneaauto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the front sway bar bushings in a 2008 Dodge Ram 1500. Here are the items you'll need for this repair. To replace the front sway bar bushings, we're going to undo these two brackets. Each one has two 15mm bolts. We're going to use a 15mm deep socket. You could also use a short socket and extension, and a ratchet. The reason we're doing this job on the ground is because jacking it up and allowing the suspension to hang will put load on the sway bar, making it more difficult to line up these brackets and bolt them into place. Remove the bracket, and repeat these steps on the opposite side. To remove the bushing from the bar, find where the bushings split from the factory. So our bushings here have either been glued together for some reason or have just corroded, built up with gunk and stuck together over all the years they've been on this truck. So we're going to go ahead and use a razor blade to open up the factory slot that was in them. Remove them from the sway bar. Here we have our old sway bar bushings that we removed from the vehicle and our new sway bar bushings from 1A Auto. Probably can't tell, but this is what these used to look like. See that they're all worn out. There's some rust scaling in here. The rubber's corroding and falling apart. We've actually rubbed a hole completely through over here. It's not going to sit on our sway bar right, and it's going to allow it to move up and down inside of this bore, which is going to create some noises and handling issues. This new sway bar bushing from 1A Auto, you can see, nice and round, nice thick rubber. It's going to fit our sway bar nice and tight, insulate it from any noise or vibration that we may have, especially from this. While this particular one is blue, they do come in a variety of colors just based on the manufacturing, what color rubber they decide to use. It's going to go on direct fit, just like your original equipment, and fix you up right. So we'll split the bushing and install it over our sway bar. This gap may not close fully, that's fine. The new bushings are much firmer than the old ones, obviously because the rubber is much thicker. It hasn't been worn away and deteriorated by chemicals and road grime. Line them up, reinstall the bracket onto the bushing, start your two 15mm bolts. Do the same thing over here. Don't be afraid to tap that bracket on a little bit. Once both brackets are on and all four bolts have been started, go ahead and tighten them down with your 15mm socket and ratchet. Torque these bolts to 45 foot-pounds.
Thanks for tuning in. We hope this video helped you out. Next time you need parts for your car, please visit oneaauto.com. Also check out our other helpful how-to as well as diagnosis videos.